rivers flow. Live three good friends and their bonded grow. A bear so strong with a heart so kind, a leopard so swift and a parrot so bright in mind. Together they play, together they share, helping each other, showing they care. Different they are, but as close as can be. The bear, the leopard, and the parrot in the tree. One sunny day, the fruit was too high. The parrot flew up to give it a try. I'll drop it below, you catch it down there, said the clever little parrot to the helpful bear. Together they play, together they share, helping each other, showing they care. Different they are, but as close as can be. The bear, the leopard, and the parrot in the tree. One came in a storm, with thunder so loud. The leopard found shelter under a leafy shroud. Come join me, my friends, there's room for us all. And they huddled together, standing strong and tall. Together they play, together they share, helping each other, showing they care. Different they are, but as close as can be. The bear, the leopard, and the parrot in the tree. When trouble appears, they know what to do. The bear lifts the leopard and the parrot helps too. They work as a team, they're stronger that way, and they teach us the meaning of friendship every day. Together they play, together they share, helping each other, showing they care. Different they are, but as close as can be. The bear, the